Hello friends, welcome to the preview of practical MLOPS with MLFlow framework series. In the upcoming session, this is the exact architecture that we will be implementing. So let me explain you a little bit on what we are going to do in this architecture. So we'll be taking the very basic toy dataset, which is called the iris dataset, and this particular dataset will be giving it to the two different models. One, the basic machine learning model, and we'll do some hyperparameter fine tuning, which we call it as optimized machine learning model. And out of these two models, we will track of different metrics and as well as the artifacts that are the outcomes of both the basic machine learning model as well as the optimized machine learning model. And we will integrate these two models with the MLFlow framework, and we'll take the help of one of the components of MLFlow, which is called MLFlow tracking. And using this MLFlow tracking, we'll track different things like the metrics of both these models, track the parameters of these models, track the metadata that is available behind the scenes of these models, track the artifacts that are the outcomes of these two models, and finally we will tag these models, and then we can search these models in later point of time using these tags. And all these tracks like the metrics, parameters, metadata, artifacts, and runs the runs of tags, we will do it for multiple runs. So that means we will create an experiment. An experiment, as I said already, is basically creating a machine learning model or training a model. So that particular experiment, we'll try to do multiple runs inside that model, and we'll see how all these would be tracked and how we can correlate and compare between all these metrics or all these parameters which are tracked by the MLFlow framework. So stay tuned for this particular practical session, which would be releasing very soon. Thank you.